1 Minute Flemish Lesson 8.
Hallo iedereen.
Hello everyone, it's Mark and Kurt here from the Radiolingua Network, and welcome to another lesson of 1 Minute Flemish. In this lesson, we're going to be learning to count from 1 to 10.
I think the clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Kurt is going to say the numbers slowly and pause in between each one. I'll say the English first, and then Kurt will say the Flemish. After each number, you should repeat it, trying to make sure your pronunciation is as close as possible to Kurt's. 1.
1. 1.
2.
2. 2.
3.
3. 3.
4.
4. 4.
5.
5. 5.
6.
6. 6.
7.
7. 7.
8.
8. 8.
9.
9. 9.
10.
10. 10.
Okay, we're going to group the numbers together and repeat them again. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Time's up. This is, of course, lesson number
8.
And can you work out what the next lesson will be?
That's right. It's lesson 9.
That's all for this episode. Next time, we'll be asking, how are you? In the meantime, thanks and bye for now.
Bedankt en tot ziens.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.